Hi guys, welcome. So I'm starting this vlog here. Hubby just brought some pizza for us. Today is Friday for us to eat like pizza night. We always have pizza night on Friday. Yeah, so
your own pizza. Let me give you pizza. You eat it. How much should cut it for you?
So welcome to a new vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. You are spending the weekend with us. I'll be doing some midnight laundry washing and also visiting friends, going out for shopping and the rest. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So right now it's in midnight, like on Saturday early in the morning, like 12 a.m. So I'm washing, doing some laundry. Yes guys, I had to do this laundry by this time of the night because it's much easier for me. Baby girl is sleeping, so I decided to use the opportunity to wash her dresses. So I got this hack from TV. Yeah, I did a video where I was asking some of my YouTubers to please help me out with baby stain clothes. What should I use? So she was like, I should use hypo. I should soak it first before I put it inside the washing machine. I use hypo though, but I don't soak it first before I put it inside the washing machine. I just put it directly inside the washing machine. But she was like, I should just first of all soak the dresses first, like few hours before I wash it, that it will help out with the white. So that's what I'm doing here. I am putting the white, all her white dresses inside the hypo, and I'll soak it for a few hours before I wash it. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. It's just a cleaning and hanging out, going out for shopping with my friend, and she's also a YouTuber as well. Belly's vlog. You guys will see her later in the video. All right, so please keep on watching.
I was raised an underdog, but taking the evasion and without hesitation. I was born feeding the dust. I built my reputation, fought for recognition. I was raised.
So the dresses are done washing. I'm just going to bring it out and I spray it. This one was me and hubby's dress before I start washing baby's girl's outfit. So let me know, what time do you do your laundry? Do you do it in the middle of the night, do you do it in the day, or do you do it anytime? Yeah, I find it much better to do sometimes my laundry in the night because I can use the opportunity to either edit videos where I wait for the clothes to wash, or in the middle of the night sometimes there's always light, and which is, you use it to wash your clothes. Yeah, so guys, please keep on watching.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
So far right now it is 3 a.m. in the morning, and baby girl's clothes just finished washing. So I'm going to spray this one in her hanger, then I will put the white one. Okay, so after I put the white one, that is, the white one will be the last thing I'll wash, then I'll just leave it in the washing machine and I'll go to bed. Yeah, so I slept on this day, I slept around 3 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, so this is me hanging her dresses and all. So guys, this was Saturday evening. Okay, so I am doing going to make dinner. Yeah, so we'll be cooking this chicken chicken wings and thighs. Okay, so I'm also going to marinate it for my English want to finish me. Oh, okay. So for me to marinate this chicken, I'm using fresh garlic. Okay, so I'll be using fresh garlic for this recipe. Just open up my garlic, then I will grate it. All right, and you guys, I'm using 2 garlic like so. Then you guys will see the rest of the ingredients. Just me grating my garlic.
Yes, me.
Then my small madam decided to come and help mommy out in the kitchen. She's my chef. Okay, she's my chef. So I just grated the garlic, then I just add it to the chicken. Then I will add black pepper because we don't eat fresh pepper inside chicken, so I'm just going to be using black pepper. Then I added some paprika. I put inside an Italian spices container anyway. Then I add some soy sauce. This is the dark one, not the light one. Then I added some rosemary. Okay, then salt to taste. Then I mix everything together. I will mix all this, and I added oil as well. Yes, I added oil as well, cooking oil. So I just mix everything together. Then I'll allow this to sit in the fridge for 1 hour. You can do this overnight. I just allowed this to sit in the fridge for 1 hour. Then I will grill this thing like KFC chicken. So guys, after 1 hour has passed, I've already sliced my potato. Then I'll put this chicken inside the potato. I added some onions on top. I pour the whole the you understand? Then we'll grill this on a low heat, like 180 degrees. Yeah, so you grill it on a low heat for like 1 hour, okay, so that the cooked chicken and the potato can cook. Then you increase the heat as time goes on. Yeah, so that you get that crispy chicken and that crispy potato. Okay, yeah, so this is what it looks like before we pop this in the oven. So guys, this is what the chicken and the potato looks like. See the color. This thing tastes so nice. Like, can you see how yummy this thing looks like? Yeah guys, so this is what it looks like. Keep on watching.
You don't know me. I feel cook. When I talk I dey cook scatter. You know what to be cook scatter? When I cook for you, no go remember yourself again. I dey sweep, I dey wash clothes. You no get anything wey me I no fit do. I'm telling you.
Happy Sunday guys, welcome. So this is Belle's vlog and her daughter. We are doing a girls day out. We are going for some shopping as we are mother of girls, so we are going out for some shopping. This is my face, skin is skinning. Yeah, so this is where we are. We came to this plaza to get some stuff, and for we the ladies, you know, as a mom, you still need to take care of yourself. Okay, so this is just me and her playing around, messing around and all.
No, Allah. Thank you.
So guys, this is where we went to. So they had lots of amazing stuff, and to my greatest surprise, like the shop was packed and it was filled up with a lot of moms and ladies checking out what they want to buy. I think maybe those are the people that are working, and maybe Sundays are their free days.
Wanna pick it?
So we are like, let's go check out their dresses section, their evening gowns and the rest. Maybe we can pick one or two stuff for ourselves. But people were lots, like there were a lot of ladies. Maybe it's today that they have that they have time to shop. So please keep on watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Please subscribe to my friend's channel as well.
So guys, we are done.
We are stressing. Yeah, we are done. I want to see your face. See yourself.